Have you ever thought about getting a condo at the park in Keeaumoku? Well, now could be the time. There's resales available. Check it out. New stores are coming in on the corner. We've got Starbucks, Locomoco, and more. And there's going to be a food court behind me that I'm going to go check out. And if you want to learn more about the park at Keeaumoku, we'll talk more specific real estate after we hit the food court here. As we come into the food court, you'll see all types of unique eateries, and because it's relatively new and this is a weekday afternoon, there's almost nobody in here. You've got all types of food here. You've got Miss Nguyen Vietnamese food, Sadie's barbecue, Aloha sugarcane juices, Ninja sushi, and coming up to Soul Kitchen. And we've got Feast, which is a refined grind, Surge's Mexican Kitchen, Sakurajima Japanese cuisine, Middle Eats, which is a classic play on words. And last but not least, we have Mangiamo Gelato. The park on Keeaumoku is the first new construction condo building in the Pawaa neighborhood of MLS built since the 1980s. You have Rycroft and Lena streets bordering it on the south and northern ends of the block. And there's two twin towers, as I mentioned, with a mix of both affordable and market rate condos. Today there's a bunch of resales on the market, and we're going to get into that in a second. But at the ground level is the beautiful park that I'd mentioned and showed earlier. And within the building, you've got a mix of studios, 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. However, the 3-bedroom option is only 1 per floor above the 25th floor. And then these units themselves feature lanais, split ACs, floor-to-ceiling windows, luxury vinyl plank flooring, quartz countertops, and energy-efficient appliances. And in addition to the beautiful infinity pool and hot tub, the park on Keeaumoku features a fitness center, movie theater, meeting rooms, a sauna, and a whopping 14 barbecue grilling areas to entertain and have your guests come over. This is also a pet-friendly building that allows 2 pets under 80 pounds. Now, the building itself was completed primarily in 2025, and there's a lot of resales on the market, as I mentioned earlier. And the studios on that resale market are starting just over $500,000, and then the 1-bedrooms range anywhere between $689,000 up to $1 million, and then we've got 2-bedrooms starting just under $1 million, and those run up to about the mid $1.5 million range. And from there we have 3 bedrooms starting about 1.6. So as you can see, this is going to be a lot more affordable option compared to some of the newer construction condos coming up in Kaka'ako. So I just got a Vietnamese coffee from Miss Nguyen in there. It's really good. It hit the spot. It's an afternoon during the summer. It's a little bit warm, but I got a nice coffee. Loving it. But once again, the park on Keeaumoku, to learn more about this newer project here, technically it's going to be considered Pawaa as far as the neighborhood in MLS. Most people will refer to it as Ala Moana. This tower behind me, that's called Azure. And then directly behind that, you'll see that kind of spaceship at the top. That's going to be Ala Moana Shopping Center in that area. So you've got a lot of great options here within walking distance. Walmart Superstar and Sam's Club across the street as well. Kitty corner across the street is the parking structure for the Sam's Club and Walmart Superstore that I mentioned. There you go. The buck stops here for all your real estate needs here on Oahu. Aloha.